Playing undo is a fun way to practice adding and decomposing numbers. Remember, when you decompose a number, you are breaking the number into parts. The goal of the game is to find all of the ways that the undo number can be decomposed. The game begins with a number in the center circle. This is the undo number you need to decompose. This number will go all the way up to 10 as you level up in games and rounds. To start off easy though, let's break down this 2. Select a number from each grid that will equal 2 when added together. We see that 1 plus 1 is the only way to make 2 using the numbers on the grid. So, click on the 1 in the left grid and the 1 in the right grid. We are confident this is how to decompose the 2, so click Submit to check the equation. When an answer is correct, the white bar under the undo number you decomposed lights up green. As the undo numbers get higher, there will be multiple ways to decompose the number. For example, this 7 can be decomposed in 3 different ways. Starting with the lowest number, 1, add 6 to it to equal 7. Next, select the 2 and add 5. As you see, the 6 accidentally was clicked instead. To undo this move, simply click the number again and the full grid will come back. Now we'll select the 5 and submit the answer. The white bars in the orange columns help keep track of all of the ways to decompose each undo number. If you submit an equation with a mistake, the white bars flash red and all the previous work for that number resets. Fill all of the white bars with correct equations to complete each game and level up in rounds. As you advance, the games get a bit trickier. The undo number to decompose will get higher, and the order they appear in the center will be random. Remember to start with the lowest number 1 and work your way up. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Undo. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!